Hi folks, wanted to show you an unboxing of the Instant Pot programmable pressure cooker. This is the latest model, the Duo Plus 60. We decided 6 quart, so it's a 6 quart. We decided to unbox it for you so you see exactly what you get when you get this Instant Pot. So let's open this up. It's a popular item. Everyone seems to be getting it, and we're excited to try it out and see what we can do as far as. So we're excited to open it up and see what's in it. We're excited to be using it actually. And so it's on the counter. We've got the Instant Pot. This is what was in the box.
And if you notice, the time is set to 5:20.
Okay, the time is set to 5:20.
Do you remember the story behind that?
No, I don't remember the story.
So the guy who started this thing, he's Chinese, and 5:20, I guess saying 5:20 in Mandarin or Cantonese sounds like I love you.
Oh, okay.
This is his own little secret I love you to all of his customers.
Oh, okay.
So every picture of an Instant Pot will show 5:20.
Oh, interesting. Okay, great. So let's open it up. Here we go. Alrighty, so let's open it up. And here's what we got inside. So go ahead and take out, we've got our instructions. Probably have a cookbook in here too.
So user manual.
Right, our user manual, our recipe booklet, and a quick reference guide. Looking forward to making some of those themed ribs. And there we go. Cool. Looks like we have a few languages in there. And looks like it's nice and packaged in styrofoam. One of the differences between this one and the older model, as I was told, is that in the older model, this cord was permanently attached to the Instant Pot, but in this model you can actually detach it, which I would say is probably better when you're traveling, if you're having to travel with the Instant Pot, because that doesn't bend or fray the extension cord. Alrighty, so here we go. We've got the Instant Pot here. Let's go ahead and open it up. So basically works like a pressure cooker and a crock pot. So you can imagine if a pressure cooker and a crock pot had a baby, it would be the Instant Pot. One of the things that you can tell from the inside, that's the pressure release valve right there. So it's meant to be nice and loose like that. If you turn it over again, there we go. So we've got a nice easy pressure seal. There are some differences between this valve, and in this model and in the previous model. We have, looks like we have a rice ladle and a measuring cup. So we have a measuring cup there. We've got a rice spoon, and that rice spoon in our left hand is meant to just stand up. So you can just stand it up like so, alrighty. And this other one can hook in the inside of the Instant Pot. That's right, to the inside. Now this other thing that that she took out right in here, this piece right here actually attaches. So it's a, there we go. There we go. So it's a capture that actually catches onto the side of the Instant Pot.
For condensation. For
condensation, great. So as you can tell, as we take out, there is here we've got a little rack, and I believe this rack is for steaming. If you can put another pot or bowl inside with vegetables, you can put water underneath this rack, and then the Instant Pot will heat up the water and will steam the vegetables for you. apparently it's a very quick steam process because of the pressure. Got some more cardboard. Here we have the inside bowl of the Instant Pot.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. As we were told, we never ever cook without this inside bowl. Right? So never ever cook without the inside bowl. You always put it inside the Instant Pot to cook. One of the differences, as I heard, of this one versus the other model is the measuring. I believe that there we go. We've got a measuring piece inside, 1/2 and 2/3. So we'll have to read up and see what that means. Alrighty, let's see the inside of the Instant Pot there. There we go. Looks like the coating on the new model is improved. As I was told, the coating is meant for easier cleaning. So you can see, you know, almost reminds me of a rice cooker without the bowl. So there we go. One of the things that you can do, you know, like I said, if you use it to cook all sorts of things, you seal it, you close it like a pressure cooker. So in order to properly close it, you match the arrows and then you can twist to lock it. There we go, and you're ready to roll. The Instant Pot has lots of already pre-programmed heating settings, rice, multigrain, porridge, that type of thing. You can also, the nice thing about the pot is as you're done and you want to set the lid somewhere, you can actually set the lid. It's got a little lip right here that you can set right in here. So it can stand and sit right in there. So as you take the Instant Pot, there we go. So I like that, and I think it'll make it easier when you're cooking and you're serving, taking things out of the Instant Pot. So that's it, folks. We did kind of gloss over this measuring cup, but it's got all sorts of measurements, and I believe that this is definitely ready for rice cooking. You know, I like, this is a difference, there's a difference between this and the older model, but I like that this spoon can stand if you don't have a spoon ladle or anything like that. You know, I think this is a nice idea to just stand the spoon instead of laying it on the counter. So that's it, folks. We're going to enjoy our Instant Pot. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to share our Instant Pot adventures. Alrighty, thanks. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.